So we got a good location here. Nice framing with glaciers. We want to make sure we take our picture with about a half a stop or 1/3 of a stop underexposed so we can bring it out in post. Looks good.
Alright, so now that you have your photo in Lightroom, we're going to come over here to our Artist Found presets. And you see here we have Sunset Wanderer 1 through 4. We can see in the top left in the preview just what it looks like. So we'll see if we can pick one that we like the most. I like 4 or 1. Let me go with Sunset Wanderer 4. Now if you want to adjust this, you can come over here to your exposure, your contrast, your highlights, and shadows, and you can play around with these to kind of really fine tune and tweak the preset. For me it's a little bit dark, so I'm going to bring this brightness up a little bit. I'm going to pull up the contrast a little bit to make it a little bit more dark. Maybe pull up some of the add some more color to it by dragging up the vibrance. There we go. We can go here and play with our color balance. Maybe make this one a little bit more warm. Drag to the right just a tiny bit. That looks pretty good there. If we want to go see our before and after, that's our before. This is the after. Now you can go ahead here and play with these filters if you like. You can do a graduated neutral density filter. Click and drag this down. And what that's going to do is do a nice and slow gradient here at the top. You can make it darker, you can make it lighter. I think a nice light filter there looks good. And we can also go ahead and add a radial filter that kind of plays around with the viewing a bit. And this specific preset already has one. So bring this up a little bit, bring this into the middle, bring that out. And you see here it makes it dark around the edges. So you can make it darker, you can make it brighter. For me, I like it dark and it really draws in the eyes to the center of the screen. Click done. And again, here's our before, after, before, after.